I don't know about you, but I've been having a stressed girl summer. I mentioned in my last video that I am enrolled in online summer school, which is just eating me alive. Somehow though, I managed to snag one of these Jeffree Star mystery boxes. So long story short, I don't remember what day these dropped, but I snagged one. Now I know that Jeffree Star is quite controversial, but I've only heard amazing things about his makeup, so I really wanted to get this box and try it out and see what I get. I've tried his liquid lipsticks before and they're great. Liquid lipsticks in general just aren't my favorite because they're really drying, and every time I wear them I feel like I'm dehydrating. I thought it would be fun to do an unboxing to see what I get, because it is a mystery after all. The day these came out on his website, there were 3 different sizes. This guy was 70 big ones. I put it on a credit card. Do I regret that decision? Absolutely. But if I didn't do that, I wouldn't be making this video. So the truth is, he has Afterpay on his website, which if you don't know what Afterpay is, it's the reason that I'm still standing here today. Basically, you can buy things online but pay for it in short increments. It's amazing. I don't know what life was like before it, but I tried checking out with this on Afterpay and it wouldn't go through. So in that moment, I was like, okay, do I just abort the mission or do I suck it up and put it on a credit card? I put it on a credit card and that's that. And I think it's supposed to be like $150 value, which is pretty good if you think about it. Let's see what's inside. We have some paper, some tissue paper. Oh, so much is jumping out at me right now. So the first thing I see is a metal straw. We love to save the planet. A pop socket. Oh my gosh. I've always wanted to try one of his lip scrubs, and there's one here. Rainbow sherbet. Okay, that sounds kind of good. That tastes like, oh my god, what is that flavor? Excited to use this. It tastes like rainbow sherbet, but also something else that I can't think of. It's almost like a cereal. Push Pops. It tastes like Push Pops. Thank you, Jeffree. Okay. I see a shirt, I think. It has the logo in like neon lime yellow, and then it says, hi, how are ya? Hi. I'm gonna be honest, I'm a little bit bummed out because I really wanted one of his star mirrors that's in his videos where he goes. I'm nervous to see what else is in here. I'm gonna just pick the most pop of color thing that I see, which is this. It looks cute. I guess it's called question mark. Question? Who's there? Where's Waldo? I hate myself. That's what it looks like. It smells like paint. That's really pink. Probably gonna give this to my mom. Another lipstick called Poinsettia. Well, this is pretty for the holidays. I wonder if everyone else got the same thing in their box. But that's what it looks like. That's kind of fun. Another liquid lip. This is in the color Diva, and it looks like it's bright pink. That's very bright. It's just a bit too bright for me. It's really pretty though. Wait, okay, this is also another lipstick, but I've always wanted to try this color, Celebrity Skin. This is a shade I can get behind. Oh my gosh, yes, I love this color. Wow, I really like this. Oh my gosh, I'm excited. That's actually something I'll wear. Amazing. So far, we're really into 2 out of 8. This is in the shade Leo, and it's Leo season, but I'm not a Leo, so. Oh, cute. Smells like a pencil. Gonna swatch it now. Let's see. Okay, that's something I can get behind. Really into that combo. Okay, so we're on to our last item. This is a Supreme Frost in Money Honey. That's pretty. Will it look good on me? I don't know. Wait. Kind of green though, so I don't know how that's gonna look on my face, but Okay, that's pretty. I really want to try the highlighter. I'm already wearing highlighter, so don't know how that's gonna affect it. Money Honey. So now I'm gonna be using the Velour Lip Scrub in Rainbow Sherbet. First, let's try the shade Question Mark. Is it called Question Mark? Is it called Question? I have questions. Jeffree, I have so many questions. Why does it look so neon on me? Not my favorite at all. I'm just not a pink girl, so mom, expect this in the mail. Now we're gonna be trying Poinsettia. This is a really pretty color. I'm just not a red lipstick type of girl. I look crusty. Oh, wow. Now the shade that I'm most scared of trying because it's so bright is Diva. And I'm pretty positive this is named after one of Jeffree Star's dogs, which I don't think I've ever wanted to be anything more than one of Jeffree Star's dogs. I can't imagine their lives. I'm such a good beauty guru. Ew! So that's the shade Diva. I guess I'll do the lip liner and the Celebrity Skin combo. So this is the lip liner in Leo. Okay, rest in peace, I guess. It's a little bit curved, a little bit smudged, but oh. Okay, so that's where we're at with that. Literally just fell. What are the odds of my lip liner just breaking? I'm a little bit devastated that the tip just completely broke off. The color's pretty. I'm gonna put Celebrity Skin on top of it. Wow, this color is so pretty. I'm really happy about this one in Leo, even though Leo broke. So yeah, that is all of the contents of my mystery box. The lighting got weird in here. I wanted to try on the merch just to see how it feels. It feels soft and comfy. Not mad at it. Definitely gonna use it for bed for sure. Overall, I would say it's like a 50-50. I like some of the things. Others are, I can appreciate them for what they are, they're just not for me. If I was to be presented with a mystery box, would I do it again? Probably not. I would just spend the money on things I knew I wanted. And that's that. Top 3 items that I got in the box. I would say Celebrity Skin, very excited about that. The lip scrub, I would have said the Leo lip liner except for the fact that it broke. So I'm gonna say Money Honey because that's really pretty too. But yeah, I mean that's it for my Jeffree Star mystery box unboxing. This taught me maybe to just, you know, invest wisely in the things we want to bet on. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you had fun. Also just wanted to say thank you for bearing with the lack of posts on my behalf. Summer school is really kicking my butt, but it's almost over and I will be back to regularly scheduled content soon. I had so much fun being a beauty guru with you all today. See you in the next video. Love you. Bye.